Ever wonder why we spend about a third of our life sleeping? It's a question that's baffled scientists and philosophers for centuries, but today we know that sleep is far from a passive state. In fact, it's a dynamic process that plays a crucial role in various aspects of our health, productivity, and overall well-being. Consider this. While we're awake, our bodies and minds are in a state of constant activity. We're learning, working, socializing, and so much more. But when we sleep, our bodies undergo a sort of maintenance mode, repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and resetting our internal systems for another day of activity. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Without it, our health deteriorates, our productivity plummets, and our quality of life suffers. It's not just about feeling refreshed in the morning, it's about giving our bodies and minds the time they need to rejuvenate and repair. So sleep isn't just shutting down, it's a vital process. But what exactly happens when we sleep? Sleep may seem like a passive state, but your brain and body are actually quite active. Let's delve into the fascinating world of slumber to understand why it is such a vital part of our lives. Think of sleep as a symphony of sorts, orchestrated into two major types: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. Each with its unique purpose and rhythm, they form the fundamental structure of our sleep cycle. Non-REM sleep initiates the cycle. It is a deep restorative sleep that can be further broken down into 3 stages. The first stage is akin to dipping your toe into the pool of sleep, a light slumber that can be easily disrupted. The second stage is where we spend most of our sleeping time, with our heart rate slowing and body temperature dropping. Finally, the third stage is the deepest sleep, where our bodies repair muscles, stimulate growth and development, and bolster the immune system. Then comes the REM sleep, a stark contrast to the tranquility of non-REM sleep. This is where dreams occur, characterized by rapid eye movements and increased brain activity. In this stage, our brains are almost as active as when we are awake. REM sleep plays a pivotal role in learning and memory function. It's where our brain processes and consolidates information from the day, storing it in our long-term memory. These sleep stages repeat approximately every 90 minutes, creating multiple sleep cycles in a single night. The balance between non-REM and REM sleep can significantly impact our health and well-being. An imbalance or disruption in these stages can lead to a myriad of health issues, from mood disorders and cognitive impairments to physical health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Hence, it's not just about getting 8 hours of shut-eye, but ensuring that these sleep stages are adequately cycled through. Thus, a good night's sleep is not just about quantity, but also quality. Did you know that sleep plays a significant role in your physical health? Indeed, it's not just about recharging after a long day or getting a respite from our daily grind. Sleep is a critical player in the intricate symphony of our bodily functions. One of the most crucial aspects of sleep is its role in healing and repairing our heart and blood vessels. When we're deep in slumber, our bodies get to work. They're like diligent night shift workers, mending the wear and tear of our blood vessels and heart, reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Sleep also supports our growth and development. You might remember being told as a child, "Sleep well and you'll grow tall." Well, it wasn't merely an old wives' tale. During sleep, our bodies release growth hormones that help repair cells and tissues. For children and adolescents, these hormones aid in their growth and development. And then there's the immune system. Ever noticed how you're more likely to catch a cold or flu when you're not getting enough sleep? It's because sleep has a direct impact on our immune function. While we're snoozing away, our bodies produce and release proteins called cytokines. Some of these cytokines need to increase when we're fighting an infection or inflammation, or when we're under stress. Lack of sleep may decrease their production, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Moreover, sleep helps maintain a healthy balance of the hormones that make us feel hungry or full. When we're sleep deprived, we might notice an increase in our appetite, often for high-carb or sugary foods. It's because the hormone levels are out of whack. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, nor is it something we can afford to skimp on. It's an essential part of our health and well-being. So, lack of sleep can lead to various health problems, making sleep a vital part of our daily routine. But it's not just our bodies that benefit from sleep, our minds do too. Let's delve into how sleep significantly influences our cognitive and emotional well-being. Firstly, sleep is a vital player in the process of learning and memory consolidation. While we're awake, our brains are busy absorbing new information. But it's during sleep that our minds cement this information into long-term memory. This consolidation process involves strengthening neural connections that form our memories. So, when we're well rested, we're better equipped to recall information and perform tasks. Next, let's talk about concentration. Ever noticed how a lack of sleep leaves you feeling foggy and unfocused? That's because sleep deprivation directly impacts our cognitive processes, causing slower reaction times and decreased accuracy. On the other hand, a good night's sleep leaves us refreshed, alert, and ready to tackle the day's challenges. Now, the concept of sleeping on it isn't just an old wives' tale. In fact, it's backed by science. When we're faced with a complex problem or decision, a good sleep can often bring clarity. This is because during sleep, our brains continue to process information from the day, sorting and storing it in a way that often leads to insight upon waking. Finally, let's consider our emotional health. Sleep has a profound effect on our mood and emotional regulation. Lack of sleep can result in increased irritability, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. On the flip side, regular quality sleep helps to maintain balanced emotional health, improving our overall quality of life. So, from boosting our memory and concentration to improving our problem-solving abilities and emotional health, sleep serves as a linchpin for our cognitive functioning. It's clear that our minds, just like our bodies, require sleep to function at their best. Therefore, good sleep aids in maintaining a healthy mind, enhancing our cognitive and emotional capabilities. So we've learned that sleep is far from being a passive state of rest. It's a fascinating, active process that our bodies and minds undergo every night. We've discovered that there are different types of sleep: REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, and non-REM sleep, each playing a unique role in maintaining our health and well-being. We've also delved into the impact of sleep on our bodies, learning how it aids in repairing muscles, consolidating memories, and regulating hormones. Moreover, we've seen how sleep affects our minds, enhancing cognitive functions like creativity, problem-solving, and emotional processing. But most importantly, we've underscored the importance of quality sleep. It's not just about clocking 8 hours a night, but about achieving deep, rejuvenating sleep that leaves us feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Remember, a good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. For a healthier and happier life, make sleep a priority. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out our latest uploads to stay connected.